Hey, it's Tracy with the Y. Welcome back. I was at my boss's house today to finish doing the decorating for Easter and summer. Um, and I had opened one of the totes and it had those two bunnies in it and like 4 or 5 little Easter baskets. See with the little bunny's feet right there? I thought, my gosh, this would be gorgeous on a Christmas tree. So I thought, I'm going to go to the attic and get one out or see how close it was to get out because the attic's pretty full. And I went up and I was like, oh, I could get that and just move a few things. So anyways, I got the tree out. I kind of wish I had twinkle lights, but the tree that I pulled out did not have twinkle lights. So I just added some white strand clear lights. And first I added the bunnies, the big chicks, and the little baskets with the bunnies' feet. Second, I did the bows, or I just did 2 bows on the top and then the ribbons cascading down. Then I did some fillers of just random things that she had. Bunnies, there's a couple signs, a couple little books, just to, fill it up, make it look complete. And then she had 2 little bags of Easter grass, so I just grabbed that and just started pulling it out and then just shoving it in where they were like, where you could see the tree branches. And the photos really doesn't do it justice. It's really pretty in person. Matter of fact, it totally made my day. I couldn't believe how well it turned out. And it only probably took me an hour and a half total to do the whole thing. I only had purple ribbon and denim ribbon with me, and then I had some kind of look like rainbow sort of, but I thought it would clash because it had red in it, so I didn't use it. So I just kind of made do with what I had, and I thought it turned out pretty good. I'm not for sure where everything is, but if you do have any questions about the items, you can comment down below and I'll do my best to try to figure it out. A lot of the little things were from Dollar Tree, so it looks like maybe she had went in there after Easter and everything was on sale because she had almost a whole tote of stuff with still tags on it. And in the very last photo I think I took, you can see I added 2 little, they look like name tag signs with purple bunnies on them, but I didn't add them till very last. So if I see it, I'll say, because I think I took that picture right at the very end. Anyways, guys, thank you for liking and subscribing. I do need a lot of watch hours if anyone wants to help me out. But anyways, you guys have a good day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.